button, turn a dial. Your work is done for miles and miles. When it hits the bound to shake, it feels like an earthquake. That's the drink that you don't pour. Now when you